So what's up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Sparkman. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with Unreal Engine 4. A lot of people think this game engine is complicated. This is actually one of the easiest game engines out there. This game engine is actually easier than Unity, GameMaker Studio 2 and Construct 3, which is like kinda hard to top. Now Unreal Engine is completely free. It's pretty much like GDevelop, only that in 3D. Alright guys, before we get started, don't forget to smack the like button down below and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Also, there is a bell next to the subscribe button. Click on the bell. So let's begin with a super amazing tutorial. Okay, so when you first start, you can select any of these templates or you can start from scratch. Blank project. Okay, for this example, we're going to start with the 2D side scroller. So let's select it. Create project. This is what you get when you first start. Okay, you can let me press play to see what we got. You can see that we have a character that can run back and forth, pretty much like Mario. It's basically a 2D side scroller, only that in 3D. This is going to be super simple. Okay, so just go to volumes. And we're going to select a trigger volume. Drop it on the screen. Actually, in this version, I noticed that it goes up all the way to the top for some reason. So let's bring it down. Put it up there. So let's go to lights. We're going to need a point light. Let me just center this. And center the trigger box. Okay. And let me just run this down to see what this looks like. Press the play button, and there's our light. And even has a shadow. How cool is that? Let me turn off the light at the beginning of the game. So let's make it not visible. Okay. And there we go. The light is gone. Oh, well, it's not gone, it's off. So each level has a blueprint. Let's open it. You can make new ones if you wanted to. I'm going to select the light. And we need a reference point. Here's our reference point. Point light reference point. Let me open the palette. Okay. And let me select here event begin play. Okay. This happens at the beginning of the level. So let's go to rendering. We need visibility. Toggle visibility. Okay. You can pan by right clicking. Alright, so let's connect the begin play to toggle visibility. And we need to target the light. So this is going to turn on the light. Okay, compile this. And let's press play. And now our light is on by default, even though we turned it off. Back to the blueprint. So we're going to replace this begin play. Delete that. And we're going to replace this by a collision. Okay, so click on your trigger box, and this time we're going to select collision on actor begin overlap, and we're going to connect it to our visibility. Okay, compile it, and I'm going to press play. And now when we walk into the light, it's going to turn on. Alright, let me try that one more time. Walk to the light. So let's make it so when we walk out of the light is going to turn off by also selecting out a trigger box and inserting another collision on actor and overlap. Okay, so this basically will do the opposite. Okay, so if the light is already on, it's going to turn it off. Super simple. Okay, compile this. and let's press play. There we go, try it out. And it works. Yeah, so simple. Okay, you can see that this is a lot easier than programming by hand, like in GameMaker Studio 2. Alright guys, so don't forget to smack the like button down below and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye now.